you said we'll get breakfast in the park, we'll get dinner after dark, and I'll be with you every second in between. Right, our names inside our heart, we will never fall apart. Let's spend forever together, just you and me. We'll get again, fresh start, full hearts, we make amends. We were never meant to be only friends. Right back to thinking it would never end, till the same old things start happening, with the old problems resurfacing. We decide once more to call it quits, with a broken hearts and a little wish to get over how we feel, and not just play pretend. Once our hearts are healed, and you call me again, and we'll get breakfast in the park,